こんにちは、愛です。Hello, my name is Ai. I'm a Japanese mom who lives in Southern California with my two girls and my partner. In this video, I'm gonna introduce Japanese home cooking. Keywords are easy, simple, yummy, and Japanese. Today, using whole banana. This one is a little bit brown, but using whole banana, I'm gonna make a very fun dessert. And actually, I already made, so this is the one we are making. It's a banana omelette. So whole banana wrapped with a fluffy sponge cake and decorated with a whipped cream, lots of whipped cream. And this one was my favorite from college days. I almost ate whole banana omelette every day and I never got tired of it. The way to make banana omelette is first you make a sponge cake, fluffy Japanese style sponge cake, and after making sponge cake, slice the sponge cake into 3 or 4 layers, and then add whipped cream, put the banana and just wrap around, and that's it. Very simple. And today I'm using banana because banana omelette, it's banana omelette. But you can add any your favorite fruits and it tastes good. And as I mentioned in previous videos, I'm not so good at baking. So probably you see my video and preparing the sponge cake and you think that's not the way you make sponge cake. But please forgive me in advance. I ask your forgiveness in advance. And so let's see how to prepare banana.
This recipe is for 3 servings and we use the 6-inch cake pan. And we need half cup of flour, 1/3 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of milk, and 3 bananas. One cup of heavy cream, 4 tablespoons of sugar. For preparation, preheat oven 320 degrees and line a 6-inch cake pan with parchment paper, bottom and side. And for flour, shift flour twice. Now let's make a sponge cake. In a large bowl, add 2 eggs and 1/3 cup of sugar. And today we are using hand mixer, but you can use stand mixer too. If you have stand mixer is easier. And using hand mixer, whip or beat the eggs mixture until very stiff, very thick. As you can see from the video, it's very stiff. And until egg becomes fluffy. The point of nice sponge cake is to whip the egg mixture till very stiff, as you can see from the video. And we're gonna shift in already shifted flour. So flour before start we already shifted twice, but again shift in the flour. Using spatula, fold in flour. Fold in like drawing J shape from bottom to top, very gently, and don't over mix. Fold in like drawing J shape. Make sure there's no leftover flour in the bottom. Add 1 tablespoon of milk and again fold in until nice and smooth. Pour the butter into cake pan. And drop the cake pan couple times so that the surface gets flat. and there's no air in the butter. And we're gonna bake 35 minutes under 320 degree preheated oven. And for the whipped cream, it's good to work under the iced bath. It makes whipped cream nice and smooth. So place the 1 cup of heavy cream and add 4 tablespoons of sugar and whip or whisk until stiff. Thick and stiff like in the video. After about 35 minutes of baking, sponge cake is ready, and remove from the cake pan and remove the parchment paper and let it stand in the room temperature until it gets cool. And once it gets cool, put in a plastic bag or cover with plastic wrap completely and wait for about half day to whole day. And now sponge cake is ready to be sliced, and there are many ways to slice the sponge cake, but I use the toothpick so that I can slice evenly. And today I'm gonna cut into 3 pieces. So repeat that process and cut into 3 pieces of sponge cake. Now it's time to decorate. Place the whipping cream in a whipping bag and place plastic bag and place a piece of sponge cake over plastic wrap. And in the center, at the center, type out 2 lines of whipping cream. And we're gonna add whole banana, and to make it straight, slightly cut so that banana gets straight. And top of the banana, pipe out the whipped cream in your favorite way. Make it pretty. And nicely and gently fold it together, and try to give a space on the top so that it won't get messy. And then keep in the fridge for about 1 hour, and it holds the nice shape. And this is optional, but shift powdered sugar over the banana omelette, and banana omelette is ready to serve. It's very tasty, and kids would love this beautiful dessert. If you are new to this video channel, please don't forget to subscribe.